YouTube didn't announce this loudly, but this new rule can silently kill small creators' growth in 2026. What if I told you YouTube didn't change the rules yesterday? It changed who wins silently. Creators are uploading every day, but only a few are actually being seen. And the scary part? Most people will realize this after their channel dies. Yeah, welcome to the new YouTube. Today I'm breaking down the new unspoken YouTube rules you must follow if you want growth in 2025. Not theories, not motivation quotes. Real platform behavior. Stay till the end, because the final rule is the one 90% of creators ignore, and it's costing them everything. Old YouTube rewarded clicks. New YouTube rewards viewer satisfaction. If people click but leave early, you lose. If people stay, even with fewer views, you win. Watch time isn't enough anymore. YouTube now tracks rewatches, pauses, and even boredom. Quick question. When was the last time you rewatched your own video? Exactly. And if satisfaction is the goal, then how people feel in the first 5 seconds becomes everything. Your intro is no longer an intro, it's a test. YouTube asks, is this worth interrupting someone's life for? No logos, no hey guys, no life story. Fear works, urgency works, curiosity works. Humorous reality check. If your intro starts slow, YouTube doesn't wait. It replaces you with a cat video. But even a perfect hook won't save you if your content feels familiar. YouTube doesn't hate small creators. It hates predictable creators. Same topic, same angle, same delivery. The algorithm already has 100 better options. So ask yourself, what am I saying differently? Not louder, not longer. Differently. Because this next rule explains why posting more might actually be killing your channel. Posting daily doesn't impress YouTube. Posting intentionally does. One strong video that gets high retention, strong engagement, clear audience signal beats 10 rushed uploads. YouTube wants clarity, not chaos. Think Netflix, not spam. But here's where most creators panic, because this rule feels unfair. Yes, this one hurts. YouTube now tests creators in small circles. If your videos perform well with a core audience, YouTube expands your reach. If not, it quietly stops testing you. That's why comments, likes, and saves matter more than ever. Pattern interrupt. Ever noticed how bad videos sometimes blow up? That's not luck. That's trust. Which brings us to the final rule. And this one decides long-term survival. YouTube doesn't want one viral video. It wants a creator universe. Videos that lead to other videos, other platforms, longer attention loops. That's why end screens, playlists, and cross-platform traffic matter now more than ever. And if you want proof, my next video breaks down exactly how creators are exploding views on Instagram and secretly sending that traffic back to YouTube. If you're serious about growth, not luck, click the video on your screen right now. How to increase views on Instagram. Because in 2025, creators who connect platforms dominate platforms. I'll see you there.